welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to view your private keys in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. First, launch the application on your device and log in using your credentials. After that, go to the wallet option which is at the top left corner of your screen. Now, select the wallet from here. Simply click on the three dots at the right hand side of the wallet. Now, you can see private key option. Click on it. Here, you'll get three options. If you want to view your EVM private key, click on the first option here. Or if you want to see account extended private key, you can click on last option here. Or if you want to view your BIP 32 root key, click on the second option here. Click on the respective options and enter your passcode. After you enter your passcode, you will be granted access to view your private key. Simply tap on the field where it says tap to show private key. If you need a copy your private key, make sure to store it securely. Avoid sharing it or storing it in insecure location. Please note that handling private key requires careful consideration of security, as exposing them can lead to loss of your file. Always ensure you are in secure environment while accessing or sharing your private keys. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.